We've seen this narrative play out time and time again in movies like Terminator and The Matrix. Will it be different this time? Are we on the cusp of a technological singularity where humans and machines merge to become one? Or will it be more of the same? Humans versus robots, man versus machine, us versus them. Here's the thing. The biggest mistake we make is seeing AI as competition. The truth is, the future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans with AI. Where AI handles the data, humans bring the empathy. Where AI analyzes patterns, humans bring the vision. Together, we're stronger. Think about it. AI is already helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It's helping engineers design buildings that can withstand earthquakes. It's helping artists create music that resonates with people on a deeper level. It's helping farmers grow crops that can feed the world. These are just a few examples of what AI can do, but the possibilities are really endless. What if we had AI-powered prosthetics that could help people regain their mobility? What if we had AI-powered cars that could help reduce the number of accidents? What if we had AI-powered homes that could help us live more sustainably? These are just a few examples of what AI could do for us, but the possibilities are really endless. The potential for AI to improve our lives is truly incredible, but it's up to us to make sure that it's used for good. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically. We need to teach people how to use AI safely and effectively. And we need to make sure that the benefits of AI are shared by everyone. So let's work together to make sure that the future of AI is bright. Let us make sure that it's a future where humans and AI work together to solve problems and make the world a better place. Let us make sure that the future of AI is a future where humans and AI are not competing against each other, but rather working together to achieve something greater than either could ever accomplish alone. Because the truth is, the future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans with AI, and together, we're unstoppable. Thank you, thank you, thank you.